All right, got a new feature we want to talk about. This is the edit custom scroll work right here. So I'm going to build a pedestrian gate. We got single swing. We're going to take our panel width down to 3 feet. We're going to increase our height to about 7 feet, and change our top profile here to an arched top. And we're going to go down here to pickets, and we're going to deselect show pickets. Then we're going to click edit custom scroll work. Now this opens up the scroll work editor, and I'm going to upload my reference image here. And there's our reference image. We're going to increase the size of it, and we're going to reposition it so it's a little bit closer to the actual size of the gate. And there we go. Go ahead and center it. And now we're going to start adding scrolls. So here we're going to click a C scroll. We're going to move that C scroll up here roughly into position. We're going to go ahead and rotate that. So we're just trying to rotate it so that it gets close to the position of the scroll that's there. Then we're going to change the body depth a little bit, kind of straighten it out a little. That top size spiral, we're going to make that a little bit bigger. We're going to reduce the spiral turn just a little bit there. We're going to shorten the length just some. We're going to lower the body depth again and shorten the length some more. Then we're going to grab it and push it back into position. Now we see here, looks like our body length is still a little bit long, so we'll shorten that up, and we're going to increase the depth just a little bit there. We're going to go back up here to our rotation, rotate it just a little bit, get it a little bit closer into position where we want it. So that's pretty good right there. And now you want to make a copy of it. You're going to make one copy, and you're going to move that copy over. You're going to flip it on the horizontal and move it over a little bit more. And now your first scroll is drawn. And you just keep on going through that as you add more scrolls to it. And then you can save that, and you can go back to your gate designer. And now you'll see that those scrolls are rendered in the gate designer. So it's a pretty cool feature. It is in beta mode. So if you're here in Edit Custom Scroll Work, if you see anything that you would like to add or you'd like to change, just go ahead and click the contact form here and drop us a line.